Oh. Hey, cool. Ah. Right, now we're actually live. Hello! Oh, people. Oh, better undo all this. Okay. Ooh. A one line. All the exam questions, because I'm a nerd. Yay. Don't feel bad. I'm a CPSSD. Unlike poor Rain. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do big names first because it's the easiest one line. I'm not going to go through like my full solution and how that works. I'm just going to one line it, unless people like really want me to. Right, so hater's going to hit. Ah, Lorcan's here. Hi, Lorcan. Right. So first off, get rid of the imports. This button. Right. Now not on Linux because OBS doesn't run on Linux. Oh, there might be a good bit of delay as well. I set the stream. There was like a setting, do you want low latency between the chat and the video, or do you want your stream not to be buffering half the time? So I picked the latter. Thank you later. So average. Pass that in there. Right, and now we just print those two things. Right, because we can't just like what was I going to say? Who knows? Oh yeah, if I have like a comma there to separate the two prints to make it only one print, it'll put in like an automatic space, which we don't want. So I use str. That'll do the job. Put a new line there. Put that. Right. Yeah, now all the undefined crap. That one needs to be n. The syntax highlighting is weird. Ah, cool. Looks like I broke Atom. Font larger. Right, font larger is an easy one. Audio. Yeah, there is audio. Oh shit, can people not hear the audio? Hello? I've been chatting away. Can anyone confirm? I'm pretty sure the audio was working, like I tested it earlier. It's not gonna let me open that. Apparently it's working fine. Okay, cool. Alrighty. And the font size now big enough? I wonder if I can turn on word wrap. That'd be nice. Or would it? Soft wrap. Ah, that's nice. Okay. Oh. My lens gonna complain about the line length the whole time. That'll be fun. Anyway, let's keep going. What's he complaining about now? So when you're using lambda functions, the outer scope variables need to be passed inwards. So for this one here, start pointing at the screen there. For this one here, I need to pass an n manually, like so. The music isn't too loud, is it? Right. Okay, it's not giving me any errors anymore, so I can try running it. Let's see. I can make the command prompt font bigger as well, can't I? Adam, like, really? Okay, that's as big as I'm getting the command prompt. No, I added a linter so that I don't have to run it 30 times. Like, look now, I notice it's going to be like no errors when I run it. CD, don't bitch to me, I use Google Drive to store it. It's just handy. Oh, it's in BAM. You're not going to see much from 144p, Corey. Right. What one are we trying to run? Oh, please tell me I didn't edit one, did I? I didn't. Right, yeah. I just realized I don't have the test cases downloaded. Let's get those. Oh, I can't remember where to get the test cases. Screw it, it's not Aaron. I want to assume it would work. But for now, let's just strip out all the white space. See if there's any way to shorten it. Get rid of that one. What's really fun is when, like, if you have a number here, do that, it's actually valid. The linter cries, but alright. Sure, my god. Worry, it's so low res. It says it's streaming at 1080p though, so I don't know what's going on there. Right. I don't think this one could get any shorter. Like, it was already pretty short in its non-one-line form. Oh. Time for league. Not that league, the other league. Right. Typing out DM for the thing. That. Demon. Ah, okay, good. So the stream isn't 1080p, right? Oh. So it's gonna be fun. Right, so I need to do this check here involving first value of team split. I could just put team split there. That's not nice. Oh yeah, I heard that they broke the NVIDIA drivers for Windows again. That's why I don't update anymore. Or at least not until I hear that it's not crashing anymore. Then again, you're on Windows 10, you pleb. Right, yes, where are we? We need to only append everything. Need to append that whole thing in one line. Raw team. Team in team.splits. Put square brackets around that so it parses the whole thing at once. You're probably thinking that's backwards. No, it's not. All of that. If not, continue. Yeah, I know it's equivalent, but like, I prefer using the continue statement. Because then, actually, yeah, fair enough. Like, why didn't I just use a if then? Who knows? Who cares? Oh, this one's gonna get messy very fast. Software app. Right, so we have the team split up. That's grand. I wonder if there's a way to put the if statement in. Yeah, actually, if I put the if statement here, if team, if that should work. What's the error it's given? Invalid syntax. Is there a bracket? No? John? I don't think John will care too much. John might laugh. Although I might convince him to stop giving the CPSSDs this course. I need to put square brackets inside the all. Yes, I do, thank you. Hasn't stopped at scrubbing though. Hang on, we'll break it back down to when it wasn't iron. Alright, still iron here. Okay. Not the import, is it? Oh. Spore, int. Oh, is that? No, there's no brackets. Ah, that's what's wrong. Oh, okay. Can't redo. I don't get how that was working. That shouldn't have ever been working. That's interesting actually. I wonder if I get away with not putting in those square brackets. So then we get two less characters. Okay, no more errors. I can kill all that. Now, we have to pass the whole thing into that print statement. Well, really all we need to do is replace that with that. Ta-da! One line. Okay. Right, shorten it. Yeah. But I actually want to see, does it error? If it doesn't error, that's really cool. Oh, it doesn't! Nice. Oh yeah, would anyone be able to look for the test input for these? That I can test them? Because of all the things I didn't download, that was the one I didn't. Right. Yeah, I'll kill all the variable names before I kill the white space. I don't like how poor the syntax highlighting is. Let me see if a different theme will fix that. Come on. That's a bit better. It highlights len and stuff now. Yeah, that one doesn't highlight len and not. That was horrible. Pretty shite. Okay. I'll stick to this one for now. I'll look for a new one later. Normally I don't use word wrap when I'm doing these, but it's actually working quite well for this. I guess because there's no like print statements or long, well, it hasn't got that in it. When we get to Scrabble, I might have to turn off word wrap. Non-printable characters. Yeah, I could make it like auth or 160. Oh, it didn't like that. Oops. Noah, you broke it. Okay. Let's not make it non-printable characters. Although if you want to throw me Unicode Snowman, we can give that a shot. That should be raw team. All instances of team, capital T. export is going to be ls. Normally depending on the scope of the variable I'm using, I'll put it in capitals or not. Okay. How many characters are we at? 216? Oh well, 215. Nice. On. Okay, that's 2 down. Yeah, it is. Without it, it'll give a warning that the expression is assigned to nothing. So I try to keep it so that the linter only complains about convention problems. I can get rid of white space. Yeah, it does. Or well, doesn't put it in memory anyway. Don't know if it actually sends it to dev null. Oh, get rid of what's there. I really want to test it. But I mean, it's kind of a given that it'll work if it compiles because the code that it was based on worked. Alright, moving on. Scrabble. This is going to be fun. Alright, so I have 2 import calls as well. First things first. Yeah, look, it stops highlighting the syntax after a certain amount. I need to Google that. Okay, so that's only used in the one place. I'll not sub it in yet because that line is just going to get how long? 178 characters longer. Right, so first things first. Always the import statement. Right, so what is this doing? So I'm trying to make best. It starts off equal and false, but I make it equal to a set that contains the word and the value of the best answer. Oh yeah, but they gave you like a word all the letters had to be based off. Right. No, not. It's not getting alright, okay. Yeah, well, it's a very well standardized convention anyway because Lua also uses underscore. In fact, I think every language I've ever used uses underscore as the throwaway. Getting my Twitter updates there down in the bottom. Tuple set. It's basically the same thing. It's just one's immutable, isn't that the case? Look, I did this again where I used if not continue. Change that to all. Not to less than they need to. Huh, that's cool. Weird, actually. So just so you know, I have like the chat on my other screen and like a ton of other stuff. I'm one of these people who put my taskbar on top. It's actually on my other screen as well. Anyway, where are we? Oh yeah. I actually, during the exam, used a set to do this question. Then I realised that would not work because you're not checking if... I was using it to do this, to count how many characters were used and make sure that only the characters in the provided word were used. Didn't work for obvious reasons. So I think I could actually use max in a big list. Yeah, I can. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So tests, or what is value? It's the... Oh right, it's the score. It's not value, Lucas. What a stupid name for a variable. There you go. That makes more sense. So alright, so now I need to put that if statement at the end of this, which should just work. Hang on, word equals word dot strip. Did it give... Oh, I hate it when I do that. Because now everywhere I have a word, I have to put word dot strip. You just hate stripping. So now we want to print a score. So max key equals lambda x x1. So it uses the score to sort them. Alright, and now we pass that straight into the print statement. Lol. Talk about bad practice. Now we have to replace tile scores with that clusterfuck. Boom. That's at 371. Alright, what are you complaining about? Ha, invalid syntax, great. Oh right, it's just Atom being weird again. God's sakes. Atom really doesn't like this sort of code. What is it complaining about? Grand. Was it complaining about invalid syntax before I put tile score? Oh yeah, okay. Indexed by ASCII values? I mean, yeah, probably, but would I not need more includes to do that? Or is there a handy way to convert strings to ASCII values? Python string. Library I'm looking for. If you can find it, no, I'll use it. Oh right, you did find it, cool. Just wrapped in ord C -6. Okay. Nice keying. And then actually I would get rid of all of these. And that would change to round brackets. Now if we replace that, cool. Am I using that right? Yeah? Cool. Yeah, I noticed as well, I needed to close the print statement. Right, still something wrong. I have a feeling it's here. What if I take that out? Oh, okay. It's just RB1 to client. That's okay. Oh, that's not right. There. So for all the words, yeah. That's a good point. I haven't actually seen lower. Oh, that's right. You could assume that it was all lowercase in the problem statement. I remember that. Was anyone able to find the sample input? I've been streaming for like 45 minutes already. Hey, finally, line too long. That's what I like to hear. Cool. An error from Atom. Undefined variable C. Oh, that's because we haven't renamed all the car variables yet. Thumbs up. W. Kill white space. Wow, really? They really need to sort out their regex for the syntax highlighting. Nah. Along 232. Awesome. I would like to test this one. I didn't bring that PDF with me. Right. Yes, this one's done as well. I wish I could test them. Okay. Non-swap letters, so well, that's a lot easier. I actually already one-lined this, didn't I? Because that was a problem from another day. Someone puts on the... No, it's not. I'm looking for it. Shit, that's it there. Nice. Okay. So we want to test. Which one did we do first? Big names. Right. Sweet. Travel. The one we did league. Exam. Save from there. Okay. Okay. Dot / yeah, backslash. File name. Uh-oh. That's right, I had to be tubed in. It works. Class. I'm pretty sure Windows is putting in that extra one line. I am definitely not. Yeah. Okay, cool. That one works. Oh, sorry, trying to sort out Windows. Just my background at the moment. It's boring. Better. Oh my god, I have too many windows open. I can't even find that command prompt anymore. Oh. The chat. Okay, here we are. So, next we have to try League. Then League. Then dot // That works. Wait, does that work? I'll use them a bit low. Yeah, it does, okay. And Scrabble, that's the fun one. Finally, one of the errors. Okay, why? List index out of range. That's probably the this. Let's break the whole one-line convention for a second and now we can really cheat. C 7 4. Okay. I'm not giving any output. Okay, that's not good. Oh, that makes sense. I didn't provide the argv arguments. That's it. Scrabble for DOZ. Max arg is an empty sequence. No, it's not. It's really not. If all word count character be one character. Max is an empty sequence. It's really not. The only reason it would be an empty sequence is if this if statement is returning false for all of them. It's checking if the number... Oh yeah, am I guaranteed lowercase? That's a good question. You may assume the score is unique and that all data is lowercase. Yeah. So it definitely is lowercase. Yeah, Twitch doesn't let you stream non-gaming content, Rain, and as close to gaming this might be, it's unfortunately not within their terms and conditions, so YouTube it is. And YouTube's quite nice, it lets me like schedule streams and stuff, and it's really fast. Oh. Biscuit break. So glad Monstercat lets you enter music as well. Use necrosis. Let me take a guess. I think there's an art, especially when... Maybe I should have set the category to art and culture. That's neat. Hello, lad. Here you got the job. Sorry guys, I'm drinking tea. You have to every once in a while. Yeah, so why is that returning? False. And more print statements. Let's put in. I love this MLG style. Love this MLG plugin. Oh, well, that's really different. Cool. Also false. Wait, it's returning true for some of them, so it's not that. Wait. Hello. Let's try meringue, guys. Lemon meringue. Pretty nice. Okay. Oh, it's very lemony. Ian, I'm the Bob Ross of Python, I think. Maybe I should start saying Bob Ross quotes. I'm being really philosophical. Rian, it turns out that Atom will only highlight like a certain amount of your code. For example, if I do that, it only highlights, or sorry, if I do, how did I do it again? How did I break it earlier? But yeah, it only highlights a certain amount. If I take this into Sublime, set to Python, turn on word wrap. Yeah, it's happy with it. Maybe I should use Python. Or Sublime, sorry. I still have my linter on this.
I do not have patience for this.
Add a novo. Lose the MLG typing. Oh, I've already explained this. The only text editor anyone should be using is cat. Cat and pipes. Okay. Import sys's. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, I just confirmed that this does return true for some values. So... I would suggest a standard end empty. Wouldn't. Hang on, what's the error again? It's that max is empty. Yeah.
I see this storm come rolling in, but you don't know me like you say you do. Will I run and find myself, or will I bite the dust and stay with you? You can help
Expected output for Scrabble.
only if I
Zoomed.
wanna let you in, but easily forget you.
Max arg is in it.
Try to
Or
slow
max.
down and try to worry less.
So it is.
It's when we face the eye,
It is the if statement.
chest. All my life, I've been so cold. I break the hourglass so much time
Cool.
unfolds.
What graphics card do you plan to put in it? Actually, more so want CPU, because if you're going to be doing a lot of the streaming, then you're going to need something with all the 8 cores. What am I using? Like, I'm streaming at 2 megasecond ish. CPU is just quite low, but like that's not even 60 FPS and not much movement, is there? Do I know it? Good question. Yeah, I have a tuple inside the list, so that when max returns a value, it'll return a tuple, and then the percent statement will be able to insert the values from that tuple straight into the string. This is 700k. Nice.
Walls come closing in, 'cause I just lost my friend so close to me. They say find happiness and
Yeah, go ahead.
what the hell is that supposed to mean to me? And everything is gray, nothing is in color. Believe me when I say I'm not like any other. I try to set
You really bad here. Just that second. That is empty. Okay. Lying.
against my chest.
And we confirmed that it wasn't actually getting to the stage where it could run through this part of the code. It has to be the if statement. I then pop it. Ah, there. I like how Atom acts as if it's all different lines when you word wrap. Some text editors think that, oh yeah, you're still trying to like go up and down on different lines and not just the wrapped lines. Let's see. So we'll print out that and see what happens. Okay, nice, higher. False, 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 false. Okay. So what am I doing here? The letter count. Last time. Right, it must be that argv1 isn't what I think it is. What if we print that?
in this raging sea, 'cause I'm way too deep.
That's fine.
'Cause I'm way too deep.
I haven't like spelt the word wrong, have I? That'd be really bad. This whole time, just been lost the chat. Yeah, I'll look at your machine in a minute. Get this done. What am I looking for?
But I just gotta know one thing. Are you ready?
D-O-Z-Y-O. D-O-Z-Y-O. Yeah, I've definitely spelled it right, so it's not that. A bit extreme. Let's see. I know it's wrong. I know exactly what's wrong.
Are you ready? Oh, I said,
All in favor of fix. Yay, list index out of range. Right, that's what we're looking for. Right, so the problem was blue line character in the argv value, and it was checking if okay, see again. Yeah, it was checking if the word we were checking the letters with contained a new line character, and of course it never did, so it was always false. That's that fixed. I've got new errors. List index out of range. Okay, that's word C. I need to... Do I have the pydoc function? My command prompt? Python... Okay. I'll just Google it. I want to know what the values are. Wait, no, I don't need to Google it. Yeah, again, I think it's that the new line characters in there. God damn it. Right, where would be the best place to strip out the new line character? Oh. Or technically. I don't want to wear that strip after every call. Yeah, it is. It's a bit harder as well, Brandon, when it's not highlighting like half the program. That noise? Okay, I have to put word strip everywhere. Sad. I don't actually. I don't, but fix it, it's awkward. Okay, let's just give it a shot. Screw it. Is this the capital R for bra, right? Putting another 4W in square brackets. R.strip. Actually, that was a lot less painful than I thought it would be. Right, does that work? Hey! Cool, it's exactly the same for both. Backup folder from this is the original version, so I'm able to test just like that. Alright, let's shorten it and move on. Okay, I think we already kind of did that in the process. Little things like that. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can do. Okay, right, moving on. These will all go up on my GitHub once I'm done. Swap letters, you're kidding. This one, I don't know a good way about it. That's the hard part. The way I'm doing it there is I'm just doing a one-line swap. I iterate every second letter. Right. Does anyone want to submit like an idea on how to do this one? While I try to think of one well. Right, sorry, kinda distracted there. You have it on one-line, Ryan. Go on, submit it. Oh, alright. Lies and slander. What I'm reading. Like Trump, only it's Ryan. This lemon meringue is really, really bitter. Ah. Right. I'm trying to think of a way maybe that I could put every letter pair in a dictionary and use the swap dictionary thing that we wrote the other day. I've already one-lined that. So all I would need to do is put like the new dictionary I make into that code and that would be problem solved. Yeah, Adam takes a while too. I don't like it, you know. Well, I do like it. I like it's the way things can be formatted nicely, but it's not doing the syntax highlighting right, and if I can't fix it, I'm not going to use it. This is my word everywhere. Right, so when that happens, I normally just put it in a lambda. Got a capital W. Pass list in. Right, now replace every instance with the word capital W. Right. Add it. has to import this. Oops. I wonder if I can one-line that. Oh, I do know a way to one-line it. Ha, yeah, that'll work. So if I do W I plus 1 that WI, then I do up join. Now the only problem there is it's not going to add the last character. So what can we do about that? Well, I guess we could just plus W minus 1 W percent if it doesn't divide evenly by 2, else empty. I'll do it. Too late, mate. I already got it. Boom. God. What? Oh, did you shorten it so that it was even? Oh no, that wouldn't have worked. It's not reverse, we're trying to do swap. Okay, let's try that before I rip out all the nice variable names. Sad there isn't any left, is there? Oh yay, invalid syntax. What? It helps if I save it, you know. Supported operand for list and int. What? It would also help if I actually printed. But there we go. Epkinism. Alright, let's see. What was the other test word? Big Scrabble, big names, top letters. Tiger. Yeah, okay, that works. Running in time. Now look, I can do this horrible thing here where I combine the two and the else. Okay. Hit space, can go by. I don't think I can make that any shorter, can I? Right, moving on. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. So first things first, replace the import. I do love this little sparky knob in the mid. I've actually got used to it now. Is this electro swing? It is. What is this? Haywire doppelganger. Kind of electro swingy. Right. So it has vowels. Oh, you're kidding me. This is gonna be easy. We just do a big list concat, or we just do list comprehension and use an all statement. That should do it. But there was some tricks to this one. It had to be sequential. Oh, that's right. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. Right. Already kind of one-lined it. So I need to replace this function with just all the code. Right. Right. First, hold on. Why am I? Oh yeah, testing word. Right. So you had to print it in its normal casing, but you had to check it in lowercase. I was used in 3 places, so I might make a lambda function for it instead of just putting dot lower everywhere. It would be shorter. We really have to figure out a way to get it to return true. What did this do? Oh right, it printed the word there. Okay. So it has to print the word only if it's true. That's not too bad because all you do is use an AND statement. Oh, I know, I can print, I can... Yeah, okay, so if I do that, dot join. Right? So now we need a list for word in the raw word, which or in here. And for w in r.strip. Actually, I want to do both of them at the same time. So we've got W and L for lower. R.strip.lower. I think that's as short as I'm going to be able to make it. Syntax error is nice. Oh yeah, join it. Brackets around that. Still giving syntax errors. There we go. Nope. Bracket, okay, yeah. That's fine. It's not. Here we go. Okay. Now, true needs to be replaced with... Actually, it just needs to be replaced with R. And then it's the whole if statement in this one that's the hard part. Right. So if... Grid start Lucas, just type the word if. What if I stripped all the non-AIOU characters out and checked if they were all in order? Yeah, basically, if I strip the vowels out and I'm left with AIOU in that order, then I should print it. Yeah, that's what we'll do. But the question is, like, how do I strip out the AOU? Oh, I know. Right, so if I go through C in L, the lowercase word, if C AOU, convert that to a string. Sorry, join it, and we make sure if it's equal to AIOU. Sometimes to do these... Oh, that's what you did, cool. Yeah, that's a nice way to do it, like. I wouldn't have thought of that during the exam. Well, actually, no, I probably would have if I tried to one-line it. Yeah, that's exactly what I've got now. Off 4. Right, is that it? That couldn't be it, is it? I got my print statement. Wow. XAVS. Haha, I keep breaking Atom, that's great. It's something to do with the fact that when I do that whole fancy replace thing, the line number I'm on is bigger than the line number, the length of the file. Really, is that it? Does that work? Files. Right. I'm numb. Right, yeah, so how do you test files again? Let's see. Okay, you can go there. Files. What kind of program called files that reads literary life? Ah. Have that. That's cool. Outputs absolutely nothing. Okay, why? Have I got the 4s the wrong way around? No. What is wrong with it? Okay, we'll just print this and see if it's returning the right thing. That's nice. Okay, what is the input file? What's our output? So which one should be true? A, E, I, O, U, so number 3. 2, 3. What the hell? These backwards? What sort of fucking way has that read it in? This is print L as well. Adam. Plain. I'm loading the bloody over solution instead of the input file. Okay, there we go. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U and abstemious and the other word are the only two that should be printed, isn't it? Yep, that's working. Get rid of that print statement. Right, and does it have the same output as the original? Yes, it does. Well. Have to see, I should, you know, just be their god. Be like the one true Morty. The background now.
Chasing everything you thought you deserved. Living life like you'd rather be seen than
for CNL. CN.
till someone gets burned. Lessons get learned. Now you calling my phone.
Could I make that shorter by checking if? Hold on. L-I-S-T left, right, yeah. So I can take this out. And I can do, or is that going to give an error because it actually checks the memory reference and it's not the same? Yeah. Oh no, wait, that's just a bracket. Hey, that works, cool. Right. Every character matters. Really? I only need to check. Length is 5. Because if the length is 5. No. Never mind. That won't work. Swap letters. How did we end up doing that? I basically made a list of okay, first off I use a range for loop to get the index of every second character. Then I use that index and the index plus 1 and I combine them both, and then they all get put into this big list, and then I join the list together, and then I also have to add on the last character if it's an odd numbered string. Yeah. Probably didn't help you at all, I'm sorry. Well, kinda done. Online audio everyone. I have to make. I want to upload it to GitHub now as well, actually, so you can check it. Alright, you did it as well, that's cool. Should be able to send it in the chat. Oh, you're smart. So I'll put it in here. That's nice. Oh, right, I see what you did. You made a... It's really nice. Made... Like, you took a subset of the argument, and then you reversed that, and then joined them. That's pretty smart, man. Actually shorter than my solution. I'm jealous. You have a GitHub account? Because if you do, you should submit it to the repo. Just put your name on it. Call it like swap ladder 61 rain. Oh, and make sure as well you put the new line in. Or thingy old bitch. Okay, I'll get GitHub going on this. I haven't actually used the one-liner GitHub on my computer. Well. Yeah, oh sorry, to make like a commit to that repo, you'll have to fork it, and then make your changes in your fork, and then merge the fork into like my version. Okay, done. Guys, stay in the comments. This was good crack anyway. It actually went way better than I thought. I thought I might not be able to one-line Scrabble. Or, no, actually, yeah, just Scrabble. You did? The... Rain, do you want me to just submit your version of it with my commit? But you don't have to do that whole working thing. The only difference is that it won't come up under your name on GitHub. Right, let's see. GitHub, yeah. Just need to make the commit. Alright. Git add, say, git commit, add exam solutions. Ta-da! Alrighty, so there we have it. I'm just done. Now, let's make a big Facebook post. What one-line wonder did he do? Oh, the... Oh, for those watching the stream, there we have it now. Just don't have to go for it. Yeah, what one-liner is Aaron on about? He's not on Slack. What are we doing anyway? Primary stream. The audio stream's bitrate is lower than the recommended bitrate. Ah, is it? Well. Okay. One line per project. No thanks. I don't want a one line. I mean, how big is it now? Pulse. Okay, 1,388 lines, we'll say, ish. Yeah, no. A one line some of the controllers, sure, it's JavaScript, you can just strip out the new lines, but... Oh yeah, I know what you're on about now. How about my memory key?
Their tools may serve us well.
One is it? I hate how they only let you close tabs to the right. I mean, I want to close all tabs to the left. Well, this is Ash. Script. There we have it, guys. There's how you upload Aaron's SSH key. Where's the generic one? I'm pretty sure this one. Yeah. Let's upload that. Screw it. Higher camel casing for the win. Get status. Say, I like doing it the manual way. I know I can just do git commit -a, but I like seeing what I'm adding just in case anything else changed. Right, git commit some add at the what's his What is his name? GitHub. Just take me to Devoxel. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, it is just Devoxel. Corey, the GUI version of GitHub is the worst thing that's ever happened. If you do a git rebase or a git revert to merge issues, when a GUI client updates then from master that already had the unmerged changes, it'll automatically make like a push and a pull to upload the changes that just got merged and to download the new merge changes. Basically it duplicates merged commits, and it also does a whole lot of other messy stuff, but that's the only one thing I've seen it do. I don't want to see it do anything else. Anyway, there's Aaron's code. Ooh. We are now 1.1% shell. I don't know Git that well. I'm actually pretty bad at Git. I googled the cheat sheet like really often. Is it? Yeah, this one. I googled this so often. Anyway, we're kind of done. If you just want to listen to the music, I'll link that in chat now. It's actually just Monstercat. They do a live stream. Oh, it does a lot of things, Rain. Vape's probably the best of them. I don't like the GUI client, Corey. Okay. That bloody background, go away. It's cool. Right. I could stream some games now, but I mean, I have to rename stuff. Yeah, that's us, guys. One lined. All the exam questions. All the questions so far. I would say join us next week, but I don't know if I'll do this again. Oh, yeah. Few tweets and stuff now. Yep. Yeah, I do, Corey. That's the problem. In command line. Got something. Lab 9? There is no lab 9. There is no bathroom. Oh my god, no way. There's a lab on regular expressions. Noah, are you seeing this? Noah, mate. Oh my god. I love regular expression. Yeah. Oh my god. What do we have to do? Lab 6, extra 6-2. Okay, I'm gonna have to get all these done. Yeah, I'll do them on the bus on Monday. I don't really want to do them now. After doing all that one line and I'm kind of wrecked. Oh god, I don't believe we're doing labs on regular expression. Here, Rian, actually, do you want something to help you with your regex? This website here. It is great. For example, if you want to match that URL down there. HTTPS question mark colon. Then we put in /x and then .star / again. Gives you the URL just. Put in what you can actually do is square brackets there. Up. Go. Yeah. So if one of these is HTTPS now as well, it still works. Great website. And it tells you all about what it's matching as well, and it tells you like what everything means. So good. I might post that in the group actually. Yeah, I want to post that in the group. Okay, but I'm going to end the stream now. Thanks for joining. I hope it wasn't like too boring to watch. Forget. Average length of people watching was 6 minutes. A whole 6 minutes. Does he get a whole one-liner done in that time? But we got 8 hours of people watching in total. That's nice, considering we're only running for an hour and well, almost 2 hours. Yep, I'm gonna hit this button now. Bye.